Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to be doing an unboxing and review of the Airscape stainless steel coffee canister by Planetary Design. This is a product that's been on my list of things to purchase for quite some time, but I never got around to it. And so the other day I was on Amazon and finally decided to purchase this in their medium size in the matte red rock color. And so what we'll do in this video is we'll show you the packaging it comes in, we'll discuss the general features of the coffee canister, and I'll show you how to set it up as far as storing your coffee. And then what I'll plan on doing is a follow-up video in the future to discuss how it's performed in the long term and whether I've noticed a noticeable difference in the quality of my coffee and its storage. As always, if you're interested in purchasing this, there will be a link in the description below, and you can definitely check out all their colors available. Okay, so this is the Airscape stainless steel coffee canister by Planetary Design. This product comes with phenomenal reviews in its ability to preserve your coffee longer and improve the overall quality of your coffee beans in the long term. They have this unique design for these canisters where there's one lid on top and then a middle lid that actually presses down and removes all the excess air above the coffee beans in the canister, and this allows it to preserve your coffee for longer. Additionally, the lid has a unique mechanism where any CO2 that is released from the beans within the bottom portion is actually released from using a valve mechanism so that the CO2 actually escapes, and so it improves the overall quality and preserves your coffee beans for longer. Additionally, the canister limits or removes any light exposure to the beans as well as limits moisture exposure, and so overall, using this mechanism, you'll have coffee beans that last longer and will improve the overall quality of your brewing methods. As far as the Airscape canisters, you can check out their website, but they have a stainless steel version, a ceramic version, and a plastic version. I ended up picking the stainless steel version because when I looked at the ceramic version, there were some negative reviews in which people stated that the ceramic can become cracked or damaged in the long term, and so I wanted to shy away from that product because the stainless steel is more likely to not become damaged over the long term. And then I specifically picked their medium size. If you check out their website, they have a small, medium, and large size. The medium size is more conducive for the size that I typically pick when I purchase coffee, and so this seemed like the best option. And then I ended up going with the matte red rock color just out of personal preference, but they've got a wide variety of color options that can really tailor it to your personal taste or your kitchen decor. And so what we'll do real quick is we'll show you the packaging and then we'll get this open. So as you can see on the diagram, we've walked through that. As far as the overall design, essentially there's a lid and a lid that has a valve mechanism within it, and then the canister itself. On the side here it says that it's airless, BPA free, stain free, it's 18-8 steel, and it's hand washable. Specifically the medium size will be two quarts as far as the size, or 64 fluid ounces, and it says 1.8 grams as far as that. And this is the matte red rock color as I discussed. On the side here it shows how it works, so we'll walk through this in a second, but basically you pour the coffee beans into the canister, you press down the middle lid, you seal the actual lid, and then you put the top on, and that basically removes any air above whatever you put in this. Ideally you'll use coffee, but you can really use it for any product. And then on the back here it lists some other aspects of it. So it says that most food storage canisters are airtight, which means they lock air in with the contents. The Airscape forces the freshness destroying air out of the canister, extending the life of your coffee, tea, flour, sugar, cereal, seeds, herbs, nuts, pet food, and any other perishable dry goods to keep what's good today good tomorrow too. And then it specifically says that it's made of durable restaurant grade stainless steel. The Airscape's canister body resists staining and odor retention. The BPA free clear top lid allows you to see how much is left in the container, and as the inner patented when Airscape lid is pressed down, the air escapes through the handle and makes the fun swooshing noise, so you can actually hear it working. And you can check it out on their website at Planetary Design, and there's always a code here. And that's really what it is. So we'll now get this open and we'll take a look at it. Okay, so we'll get this box open. So within the box, you'll have the actual canister. It's going to come in this really cool, unique canvas bag. It has some labeling on the outside. It shows coffee or nuts, granola, rice, seeds, etc. in the actual canister. And then here it says Airscape fresh today, fresh tomorrow. And then it says the tare weight is 0.5 ounces, which is always useful if you need it for weighing on your scale for your coffee scale. And then it says here Airscape refill program. I guess it's biodegradable or something. I don't know exactly what that symbol represents, but we'll get this open and take a look at the canister. I'm super excited about this because I've really wanted this canister for a while and I just have never purchased it, but this is something that I've wanted for a while. So this is the canister itself. So this is their matte red rock color. I ended up picking this because I don't know if you saw at the beginning of my video, I've got the Zassenhaus grinder in this kind of like mahogany color. So I thought storing this side by side would kind of go more together as far as the color look. But that's why I ultimately picked this as far as my storage container. They've got a wide variety of colors. They've got like black, silver, white. They've got like teal, yellow. You've got a wide variety. You can basically find any color you want. As far as the canister itself, it's got this matte finish in the red rock color. It says Airscape on the bottom here, and that's the only emblem as far as on the actual side. So it's only the Airscape label. On the bottom here, it's hard to read, but it basically says Airscape by Planetary Design. It's not microwave safe. And then it does have a silicone kind of bottom here so that if you put it down, it does not slide at all. So it's less likely to tip over or anything like that. And that works very, very well as far as the silicone nature of it. And then on the top here is the actual lid. So this is a clear kind of black lid. You can see through it clearly through the light. All right. And then within this, you will actually have some branding information. And so right here it says good today, good tomorrow, Airscape, help reduce food waste. For every Airscape food storage container purchase, Planetary Design makes a donation to a nonprofit organization dedicated to ending food waste and hunger across the country. Learn more at Planetary Design. I didn't know that about this company, but that's a phenomenal aspect of things. It's great to kind of like contribute and give back to the community in the world and limit waste, so that's awesome. And then here is some information about the actual canister. This is basically what it said on the box, so we're not going to repeat that. And then basically it kind of shows instructions as on the box as well. It does list some dimensions here, so it says 7 inches. I don't know if that's 7 inches, but it seems a little bit taller than that. But that's it. And so then within the inside here, you'll have the actual inner lid as well. And so this is what it looks like. And so as this kind of was described on the box, basically what you're going to do is you're going to basically push down all the contents, and then once you get it to the bottom, you're actually going to press it down and seal it, and that's how it'll work. It's going to be hard to see because it's dark on the actual video, but what I'm going to do is just set up the camera and I'm going to pour some coffee beans in here, and you'll get a general sense of how it performs and how you set this up. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, I'm actually going to be using Trader Joe's medium roast coffee as an example for how to store it in the Airscape container. This is my go-to coffee. You can get it from Trader Joe's for about $4.99 for this canister for 14 ounces. So it's their cheapest coffee, and it's a phenomenal coffee for kind of the price that you get it for. But usually I just keep it stored in this canister, and so it'll be interesting to see how this compares to the Airscape, and I'm really curious to see how my coffee quality improves in the long term by storing it in this canister. But I opened this up earlier today. It's got a phenomenal smell as far as the overall aroma of the coffee beans. And so what you need to do as far as the Airscape is, first you'll just pour this in. and you'll pour all the beans. And so this is what this entire canister looks like as far as the medium size. So you've got about, I'd say like 4 inches from the top to spare. And so that's it when you first pour it in. And so what you'll do now is as far as setup, is you'll take the air lid, you'll basically take it in here, you'll press all the way down. I'm gonna be quiet during this just to see if you can hear the air escape. So give me 1 second. So as you can tell, you could hear it where it actually was pushing out all the air. And once it's all the way down, you're gonna actually push down the seal, and now it's gonna be sealed. And so by doing that, you're removing all this extra space in the canister, and that's gonna remove any excess air so that the beans aren't exposed to it. And then what you'll do is just put on the clear lid on top of it. And so it's got a 2-layer kind of exposure that where you're preserving the canister as a whole as far as preventing moisture, and then you have the air lid inside of this that'll actually remove all of the air. That'll have a valve mechanism as well to release any CO2 from the coffee as it kind of deteriorates in the long term. So that's what the canister looks like. This is in their matte red rock color. I'm super excited about this. It's going to be a little bit difficult to determine how this performs in the long term. So really what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to probably purchase another one of the Trader Joe's coffee, and then I'll do a side-by-side comparison of brewing without storing it in the canister, and then actually storing it in the canister, and we'll see how the quality of the coffee beans work in the long term. But I'm super excited about the Airscape canister. I've wanted this for a long time. This one costs about $35, so it wasn't too expensive. The larger sizes are a little bit pricier, but for what you need, or like what you get out of this, I think it's well worth the money. And they've got a lot of variety of color options, and I think it's a great option. And so I'm super excited about this. I'll definitely do a follow-up video, and I'll give you a general sense of how it performs as compared to just storing it in a typical like cardboard container. So thanks for watching. If you have questions, comments, anything like that, you can post them below. As always, if you're interested in purchasing this, there will be a link in the description below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. As always, you can subscribe as well to my channel if you want to follow for more content.